Hey guys, Drew Williams coming to you live again from Bell Camper Sales. Today, you're in for a treat. I'm going to show you the brand new, immaculate, fully loaded 2021 KZ Durango Gold 387 FLF. The front living room model that's real popular. This is the newest model that's came out. It's got a little bit different things than the 386. So bear with me. Probably gonna have to do about 5 different slides here because the trailer's so big, but I'm gonna show you some of the more important things and then we'll go from there. So obviously we're gonna start first here in the living room area and I'll show you some of the neat things about it and then we'll move down. As always, this is a 360 video, so up in the corner with your little arrows, you do not follow me around. You can move around as you wish, zoom in and zoom out. Without further ado, we're gonna get started here. We'll start right here with the recliners that are facing the TV. These are your massage, electric, heated, lighted, LED lights, everything, recliners with cup holders in the middle. What I like about this unit is there's 2 slides, so it gives you more room, more like a living area. Both slides slide out to where both these sofas are at, which both do turn into fold-out beds if you do have company over and you're watching. We'll go around back here to where the TV/front cap is at, that has a see-through glass, so if you're one of those guys that likes a scenery view, TV will go down, and if you got that facing the lake, it can be a pretty nice view in the morning. Plenty of storage on the side, on each side here, 2 shelves underneath. Obviously has the connects radio system with speakers, surround sound, DVD player, also the fireplace obviously comes stock too. Some more storage over here and storage underneath. Before we go down to the kitchen, I am going to show you what it looks like with the TV up. Everything in the gold is, like I said, fully loaded deck is operated by an LCD remote. Over here I got it already where I need it to be. All you got to do is hit raise and then you can watch as your beautiful TV comes out of the stand and you are good to go to start watching TV. If you want to zoom in on the arrows in the corner, you can see as the TV is coming up, it is a big bad boy, and pretty cool how that thing just comes out of the stand like that. A little bit further to go, and bam, you have your full-size TV. So now we're going to move down to the kitchen. Alright guys, now we are in the kitchen area of the 387 FLF Gold. We'll start right here where the island's at. Again, 360 video, guys. You do not have to follow me around. You can zoom in wherever you want. We have the 2 sink covers here, full residential style sink here. Also obviously has the real popular lever you can move around and spray. Just like all of our golds do, it does come stock with a dishwasher in it, already loaded, ready to go. Do have some storage down here underneath the sink and GFI outlets on each side. No storage over here, but we do have storage back here, kind of like an almost bar-like atmosphere facing the living room where the TV's at. Some storage over here, a little hole where you can fit some cubbies here. GFI USB ports, real good for phones, or if you want to have a little desk area right here, not a bad place to have. Obviously we have the double door fridge right here, freezer up top, obviously fridge on bottom, 2-way refrigerator. We got the microwave here, Furrion fully mounted convection oven, storage on the sides here, guys. Like usual, a little bit of racks in here for seasoning if you chose to use it for that. Storage up top. You got your three stove gas burner. Oven down here, about the biggest you can go in here in this size. Trash can already mounted in there, just ready for some bags for trash. Dish tray comes with, silverware tray, and then all your fancy dancy remotes, and you'll get into that if you decide to choose this bad boy. But we do have GFI outlets on like all over this place for anything, coffee makers, blinds. In here, real important, is some good pantry storage. If you want to zoom in here in this area, will be your pantry storage over here. If you choose to do a washer dryer, it comes prepped. It would go right in here where the removable shelves go. Comes again, all golds come prepped already with washer and dryer service. Your chairs, obviously, this seats 4 here. Chairs are in the closet. Moves out bigger for when you're not when you're not driving down the road, and it sits forward to make it a lot better. So now we will go up to the bedroom area. Alright guys, now we're up in the master bedroom. As you can see here, we'll just start from the get-go. Does come stocked with a TV mounted already. Fireplace down below. Again guys, I always remind you, 360 video, zoom in. You do not follow me around wherever you want to look at. Upgraded barn door style sliding doors have gotten real popular, and that's what you get in here. It is for your privacy if you choose to use it. It does have locks on the side here. Just remove them, slides, and then bam, you're set up, locked in, good to go with a new style barn door sliding door. Get you locked back in there. You do have outlets on the side of the bed, obviously. Fireplace, that is your fireplace. Air conditioner switch, obviously you have to switch between those when you're running the different two as far as that goes. Does have LED lights up top here. This is a bed that does fold to give you more room when you're not sleeping, which is really cool. New style here. Plenty of storage. The closet racks in here, guys, for your closet stuff. You do have drawers on each side of the fireplace. Little storage here on the stepway up to the bedroom. Last but not least, we'll get the bathroom that most everyone loves. Alright guys, lastly we are here in the bathroom of the 387 FLF. A lot of space. You can see here, plenty of room to walk around and change. We'll start right here with the shower. Has a nice little seat there, good residential style shower head that can be removed. Plenty of space to sit if you are living in this thing for a full-size shower. Has the two water flow sinks. Not very big, but like I said, you separate two, get them. But I think that's very cool. Makes you give you a homey feel. GFI outlets on each side, mirrors on both sides. Obviously, we have storage in here, drawers to pull out, storage right here, and storage up top here. We do have a little towel rack here, obviously bathroom here, and then you do have in here some more hallway motion detector light, little racks, shoe racks, as far as that goes. I'm going to go ahead and move this guy in here so you can see what. And again, as I said, plenty of storage room in there, where you can hang your closets, hang your clothes. It does have a little nice shoe rack back there as far as that goes. Alright guys, that is the 387 FLF fully loaded KZ Durango Goat. Again, thank you for going through this a little bit longer video than usual because it's so big, but it is a beautiful trailer. Come down and see it if you want to see it in person. My name is Drew Williams, and we'll try to get you camping.